told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt.
Hello beautiful people, thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make papaya oil or pawpaw oil from the comfort of your home. So if you're interested in videos like this, please watch this till the end, like this video, share this video, and drop a comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Of course, to make our papaya oil, we're going to be needing pawpaw. I'm going to be using this half pawpaw to make the papaya oil. Papaya contains the enzyme papain, which is a strong exfoliant. It helps to remove dead skin cells from the body. So we're going to be using this to make our papaya oil. Next, we're going to be needing a carrier oil of choice. I am using olive oil to make this, but you can use any carrier oil like sunflower oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil. Any carrier oil at all will do the job. We're going to start by dicing our pawpaw into smaller chunks, and this is going to make the work easier for us. This is what my pawpaw looks like after dicing it. Next, we're going to add our carrier oil into the diced pawpaw. At this point, you can just put your pawpaw and oil in a blender and blend. But in case you don't have access to a blender or you don't want to use your food blender to make this, you can just use a hand mixer or a spoon depending on how soft your pawpaw is. We're going to mash until you can't separate the pawpaw from the oil anymore. It's going to look like you used a blender. Here's what my pawpaw looks like after mashing for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can tell that it's properly mashed. I'm going to go ahead and pour the mixture in a pot and cook on low heat so that we can extract the oil from the mixture. Now, the reason why we are cooking on low heat is to ensure that we don't lose so much of the nutrients of the oil to the heat. Be sure to stir your mixture continuously as you cook it to make sure that it doesn't burn or stick to your pot. As you continue cooking, you will notice that at some point, the oil will begin to float at the top of the paste. At that point, you know that your oil is ready. Now we'll go ahead and strain out our oil from the paste. Please be careful while doing this so that you don't have any chunk of the paste in your oil, because that could lower the shelf life of your oil. So do it carefully so that you don't have the paste in the oil at all. That's it. Our papaya oil is now ready. This oil is so great for the skin. It moisturizes, it helps with pigmentation, it helps with wrinkles, it helps with melasma, and it can control acne breakouts. So this oil is so good. It has a lot of benefits to the skin. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button, share this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, and see you in my next video.